Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto E6s, and today I will show you how we can enable the power saving mode on this device. So to get started, pull down your notifications, and right off the bat you should see the power saving mode battery with a little plus in it. So press on it. This will bring up a little message letting you know that battery saver basically turns off some devices features and restricts apps. Now this is a very not descriptive explanation on what it does, so let's just select turn on, and I can go a little bit further into it considering this description was not very helpful. So I'm gonna just try to guess and also use the typical kind of battery saver functionality. So on other devices, how it works is it also disconnects from Wi-Fi and mobile data. I assume this will happen here too. So when the device goes to sleep like this, after a couple of minutes it will just disconnect, and because of that you won't be receiving any kind of updates from applications that would normally require internet connection. Just to name a few, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and so on. So if you're experiencing that your notifications are delayed or just not coming at all when you're not using your device, that is the reason. There's also usually other things happening, like the processor just being a little bit more limited, so it might be running a little bit slower, and the brightness sometimes goes down, but I don't think brightness did move here at all. So there we go, those are probably things that will be happening here, but the device didn't really describe it. And once you're done with the power saving mode, you can disable it by finding the toggle, tapping on it once more, and everything should go back to functioning normally. Now with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.